In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your Squarespace website private. This can be very useful if you're not ready to share it with the world just yet, or perhaps you're making some significant changes and want to keep things under wraps until they're finalized. So let's dive right in and walk through these steps together. First things first, you'll need to log into your Squarespace dashboard. Once you're there, you'll see a list of the websites associated with your account. Take a moment to locate the specific website you wish to make private. Once found, go ahead and click on that site to proceed. This will bring you to your site's main dashboard. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate your attention to the lower left side of your screen. Here you'll find the Settings option. Click on it. It will expand, revealing a variety of options you can adjust and modify to suit your needs. Among these settings, find and click on the Website option. This is where we will make some key adjustments. Now, you'll see a selection labeled Site Availability. Clicking on this will open a menu that lets you choose how accessible your site is to the outside world. By default, your site might be set to Public, meaning anyone can see it. Since we want to make it private, you'll need to change this setting. Choose the Private option, which will immediately make your website hidden from visitors. When a site is set to private, it becomes accessible only to you or anyone with direct login permission. This is ideal when you are making updates or changes to your content, ensuring that none of it is visible until you choose to showcase it. Once you've selected private, it's crucial not to forget one last vital step. Take your mouse towards the top right of the page and click Save. This action confirms the changes you've just made, effectively locking in your desired privacy setting. Ensuring you hit Save is important, as it guarantees that all your updates are applied and live on your Squarespace interface. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can seamlessly transition your Squarespace site to private mode. This option is a great tool for controlling who gets to see your unfinished or in-progress work. If later on you decide to make the site public again, you can follow these steps in reverse, allowing your audience to engage with your content once it's ready to be shared. I hope you found this guide clear and helpful. Thank you for watching, and good luck with your website.